Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our topic for today is about Lesson 13. Solve problems involving salaries, wages, benefits, and deductions, tax computations, overtime pay, gross and net incomes using appropriate technology. By the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to differentiate between salary and wage, as well as gross income and net income. Letter B. Identify and compute for common employee benefits and deductions, such as taxes, SSS, PhilHealth, and pag-ibig contributions. Calculate the overtime pay based on standard labor. Letter D. Apply formulas to determine gross and net income from given salary or wage problems. Letter E. Use appropriate technology, calculator, spreadsheet, or math software to compute salaries, wages, benefits, and deductions efficiently. Letter F. Analyze and solve real-life problems involving income, benefits, and deductions to enhance financial literacy. Salaries and wages. What is a salary? A salary is a fixed amount of money paid to an employee, usually monthly or bi-weekly, regardless of hours worked. Example, 25,000 per month. So wage, that's the payment based on the number of hours or days worked. Example, 570 per day or 80 per hour. Gross income versus net income. Gross income is the total earnings before any deductions. Net income is the take-home pay. That's the amount received after all deductions. And you have the taxes, contributions, and other withholdings. So formula, net income is equal to gross income minus deductions. Benefits and deductions. Employees in the Philippines typically have mandatory deductions and benefits such as tax, the withholding tax, based on income tax tables of the BIR, SSS contribution, Social Security System premium, then the PhilHealth contribution for health insurance, and then we have pag-ibig contribution for housing and savings. Overtime pay, OT, So overtime pay is additional pay for work performed beyond the standard 8 hours per day. So the formula, the overtime pay is equal to hourly rate times overtime hours times the OT rate. Common OT rate in the Philippines, 125% for hourly rate. Regular OT, 130%. That means the overtime on rest days or special holidays. 200% regular holidays. Step-by-step process of salary computation. Number 1, compute the gross income. The salary or wage times time work plus overtime pay. Number 2, compute the deductions, the tax plus contributions in SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig. And then compute net income. That is the gross income minus total deductions. Use of technology. Learners should learn how to use calculator for quick computations. Use log sheets, use spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheets to create formulas for salary and tax computations. And then explore apps and software that help simulate payroll calculations. So payroll simulation and calculation software. Number 1, Excel, Google Sheets with payroll templates. So we have, this is flexible and customizable. You can set up similar formulas for tax, SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig if in Philippines, overtime, allowances, deductions, etc. Free or low cost. Number 2, we have QuickBooks Payroll. This is automated payroll calculations, tax deductions, net pay, can run simulations before actual payroll release. This is good for small and medium businesses. Number 3, ADP Workforce Now. This is industry standard payroll solution. Has payroll modeling tools to test pay scenarios. Useful for large organizations. Number 4, Gusto. This is a cloud-based payroll app. Easy to simulate payroll runs, including benefits and tax deductions, and with user-friendly dashboard. Number 5, Paychex Flex allows simulation of employee pay with varying hours, overtime, and benefits. Report for net versus gross pay. Number 6, FreshBooks with payroll add-ons. So can integrate payroll features and simulation of pay slips, deductions, and taxes. Number 7, Payroll Hero, used in Philippines and Asia. It automates time, attendance, and payroll. Can simulate payroll with real tax and government contribution computations. SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, withholding tax. Number 8, Wave Accounting plus Payroll. This is in the US or Canada focus, but customizable. Locus can simulate payroll, ideal for freelancers or startups. Number 9, Soho People plus Soho Payroll. This is an integrated HR and payroll system, allows what-if scenarios for payroll calculations. Number 10, open source options. We have Odoo Payroll and customizable, works with HR module. We also have Orange HRM. This is also open source HR with payroll add-ons. If you only need a simple simulation without paying for software, I recommend starting with Excel payroll templates or Google Sheets. These let you input salaries, hours, deductions, and generate net pay. Payroll software and apps. We have the QuickBooks Payroll and automates salary deductions and tax computations. Best for small to medium businesses. High simulation features for what if payroll scenarios. Number 2, Gusto, a cloud-based payroll with HR tools. Easy to use for calculating net pay, taxes, and benefits. And of course, this is good for US-based payroll simulations. Number 3, ADP Payroll. It is industry standard, scalable for small to large companies, handles compliance, benefits, and deductions, offers reports for payroll forecasting. Number 4, Paychecks Flex, end-to-end payroll management, simulates employee wages, overtime, and deductions. And of course, that is mobile friendly. Number 5, Zenefits. That's HR plus payroll in one app. Can simulate different compensation packages integrated with time tracking and benefits. Number 6, SAP Success Factors. That is an enterprise level payroll and HR management. We also have advanced simulations for multinational payroll. Number 7, FreshBooks and payroll add-ons for freelancers and small businesses. Can simulate contractor payments and small-scale payrolls. Simulation or calculator apps. We also have number 1, Payroll Guru. It's a mobile app. Lets you simulate US payroll with taxes, deductions, and net pay. Great for quick what if paycheck scenarios. Number 2, Check Stub Maker. Generates sample pay stubs with deductions, useful for practice or training in payroll computations. Number 3, Excel or Google Sheets payroll templates, free and customizable. You can simulate payroll manually with formulas for hours, rates, deductions, and taxes. Philippine-specific payroll software and services. We have number 1, Sprout Payroll by Sprout Solutions, a homegrown, all-in-one HR and payroll platform built for Philippine payroll requirements. Automates computations and filings for SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig BIR, and 13th month pay. Includes features like 201 file management, government form submissions, analytics, and AI-enhanced tools like Ready Wages, salary advances, and payroll sidekick multi-company process. So we'll have the next batch, the next part of this lesson, number 13.